Hello, little friends! Today, we're going to meet some very special friends. The numbers from 1 to 10. Let's see who comes first.
Here comes number 1.
Hello, I am number 1. I stand tall and proud, just like this tree. Number 1 means just one thing, like one sun in the sky. Now look, it's number 2. Hi, I am number 2. 2 shoes, 2 eyes, 2 hands, like me and my cat friend. That's right. 2 means a pair. 1 and 1 together.
Yummy! It's number 3 with ice cream.
Hello, I am number 3. 1, 2, 3 scoops of ice cream, sweet and cold.
3 is fun, just like 3 balloons flying high.
Here comes number 4 having fun at the park. Hi there, I am number 4. We are 4 friends playing together. 4 legs on a table, 4 wheels on a car. 4 is strong. Clap, clap! It's number 5, no? Hey kids, I am number 5. 5 fingers on one hand, high 5. 5 toes, 5 senses, 5 is alive. Bounce, bounce! Number 6 is here with some balls. Hello everyone! I am number 6. 6 balls rolling all around. 6 is great! Just like 6 legs on an insect. Wow! Look up! Number 7 is watching a rainbow! A number 7!
Hi, friends. I am number 7. 7 colors in the rainbow, red to violet. 7 days makes a whole week. That's a lot of fun. It's cold. Number 8 is building a snowman. Hello. I am number 8. 8 buttons on my snowman friend.
Who's blowing balloons? It's number 9. Joseo! Hi, I am number 9. I have 9 balloons for my party.
Choo-choo! The number train is coming.
And here's number 10. Hello, kids. I am number 10. I have all my number friends with me. 10 fingers, 10 toes. 10 is the best number to know.